Welcome once again. Today we're gonna make green bean casserole. The ingredients you will need is 56 ounces of green beans, 26.6 ounces of cream of mushroom, and 6 ounces of French fried onions. To make this dish, place the cream of mushroom on top of the green beans. And fold them like this. The reason you want to fold them and not mix them is because we want to keep the green beans whole, and mixing them could mash the beans. Once they are well mixed, flatten them so you can add the fried onions on an even layer. Once done, cover the dish with aluminum foil. Preheat the oven at 375 degrees and place the dish on the lowest rack. Make sure to bake for 30 minutes. Once out of the oven, it should look like this. You are now finished. I hope this video was helpful. For more amazing cooking videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.